Hello again, everybody. Welcome back to FreshBaked. I'm your host, David, and I am sitting in front of the ESPN zone here in downtown Disney, which has sort of, I don't know, it's kind of turned into this weekly annual pass holder specialty merchandise thing. They hold these events once a week, and this week is particularly good, which has caught my attention. They are going to be selling Spider-Bots, Marvel Avengers campus merchandise, stuff that should have been available right now, but the park isn't open or the land isn't open. Well, both. But they've got all this hot merchandise on their hands, and they need a place to, something to do with it. So they've invited us APs to come down and to get our first look at the Spider-Bot, which I think you can see. They're playing with it over here, or you can hear it. We're going to get our first look at the Spider-Bot merchandise, plus some other Avengers campus merch that's going to be made available when the land opens. So it's about time for our reservation. We're going to head in there and give you guys a preview of this merchandise and possibly, hopefully, leave with a Spider-Bot. Success. I've got me a Spider-Bot, my own personal interactive remote control bot. And I think we'll just go ahead and unbox this right here, right? Hopefully it's not too complicated. Actually, I'll show you the back first. The Spider-Bot features, remote control 360 movement, works with tactical upgrades. I don't know what that means. Battle gameplay, which I've seen demoed, but I guess you can just blow the lid off of another spider if you encounter one out in the wild. Light up eyes. Crouching, so it goes kind of like an up and down type deal, and then sounds, obviously we heard them a little bit before, and then here's an idea. Yeah, here's a bot getting his lid blown off by another bot, and there's a remote control in here. Hopefully, I don't know if I hope this thing doesn't need batteries. Let's find out. Okay, I think I finally got there. Unveiling of the Spider-Bot. Now, does he, oh no, there's more to do. Okay, well, after trials and tribulations, figuring out how to get these things to unhook, and a little bit of help from a cast member who witnessed my dilemma. She came over here with a pair of scissors and helped me wrap up the rest. This here is your Spider-Bot. Take a look. So let's turn on, you guys see it? Oh.
Spider-Bot online.
Spider-Bot's online. Now, I should be able to pair it by turning that on. So I turn on my remote. This is the remote. It's very fancy. It's well lit. There's your D-pads for your left and right and back and forth, and then I'm guessing, I just did like an attack, I think. I really need to play with this live and on the ground. So what I'm going to need for that is an adversary, I think. So we're going to, Spider-Bot, no. We're going to go look for somebody who might have another Spider-Bot for us to engage with. Spider-Bot, hush, I'm filming. Let's go see if we can find some folks. Now, as I make my way through downtown Disney, heading towards the Esplanade, just a quick recap on what you might find, or what we did find in the little gift shop. It's just the Spider-Bot. You do also get a giant pin or button that I assume has been, enhanced by a PIM particle of some kind, because it's an enormous button. But you can also buy a straw with a rocket on it. Didn't get one of those. And then there's a bunch of apparel, shirts and stuff like that. I was hoping for more actual, Spider-Bot type merch, but they didn't have anything like that, just the apparel. Some of it was kind of neat. Some stuff for kids, jackets, a hat, that kind of thing. But for the most part, stuff that I would probably be able to hold out on. Nothing was that amazing to make me want to buy an Avengers campus shirt. Now, I should also note, it's my understanding that these, unlike some of the other exclusive merch, this is it. This is the chance. This is the only chance you're going to get a Spider-Bot until Avengers Campus opens. The plan is that they were doing it for I think it's just this week, and then Everything's going back into storage and waiting for Avengers Campus to open, whenever that is, February maybe. So it is a pretty small window for the really hardcore Marvel fans to get in there. So hopefully you guys got your reservations and handle this on your end as well. Well, I've come out to the Esplanade to fidget around with my spider bot. I haven't named him yet, but I've been working it out, and I ran into a potential foe. Hey guys!
We're ready to battle.
It's Peter and Kitcher from Ordinary Adventures. You guys got a spider bot too?
Yeah, fancy meeting you here.
I know, right?
This is Dave from FreshBaked.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi guys. So did you guys name yours yet?
We haven't. I didn't even think of naming him.
Like, he's got to have a name, right?
Yeah, what is
Yeah.
his name?
What about Body?
Body. Okay, that works. Tingly.
Oh my.
Tingly?
Tingly?
Yeah.
Oh, because of Spider
Tingle.
Sensation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Tingly.
Tingly. Yeah, do you guys want to try to see if we can't figure this thing out?
Yeah,
Yeah, charmed by it. Initially, I wanted one, but as soon as I turned it on for the first time, I was like,
Yeah.
I could justify the purchase.
Yeah, it's like turning on R2-D2
It's
for the first time,
cute,
your
right?
droid, yeah.
And
So
supposedly you
cute.
can customize them and stuff, but they only have this one.
Customize it?
Yeah, like in that instructions, like you can make them into like Black Widow or Wasp.
Oh,
Iron Man.
like you did when you build a droid
Yeah.
at Galaxy's Edge.
Yeah.
All right. All right, guys, it's time to see if I can put Body up against
Look at
Tingly?
Tingly.
Body versus Tingly Battle Royale in the Esplanade. It's 2 men enter, or 2 bots enter, 1 bot leaves.
that. I know which one's gonna leave. It's not gonna be me.
That's a bold prediction, Peter.
Run away, run
Kitcher
away,
has
run away, run
discovered-
away. Wait, how do I?
Are we battling? What's happening?
Oh my god, my light! I just activated the spider light.
Oh,
You see it?
I'm gonna run away.
It says I have 3 lights left.
My second light is flashing. Why is my second light flashing? Oh no, oh!
who's winning? I don't know.
How do we duck? I don't remember.
Oh! Did I lose?
Yes,
Oh,
I
really?
lost.
somehow.
Are all your
or-
lights out
oh,
on top?
My whole thing's dead.
Oh my God.
I lost my lid, and my whole remote went dead. Oh, she's coming after me.
I'm trying to get there. Oh my god.
Wait. Okay, I want to make my. Okay.
Shields recharging.
Oh,
my
I'm
question
recharging
is-
my shield. That's what that was.
Because
I turned on the Spider-Man logo button, and that was actually the shield engaging.
Oh.
So now my shield is recharging.
Yeah, you can't press it for another like 30 seconds or something.
There it is. Now my shield's up, so you can't hurt me.
So,
Oh yeah, that's what you think. That's what you think.
wait,
Oh no!
Oh wait, I'm going the wrong way.
Yes, that's shield recharging now. Okay. I do believe that I need to engage Kitcher here at this point.
in the face or can you shoot behind?
I don't know. I think it goes forward.
Oh no!
Maybe my niece died.
I think I got you.
Yeah, what happened?
Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Ah, run away!
Come here, you! Oh no! I died. I died again! Ah! That's not cool, Peter.
To be honest, I was just pushing random buttons.
I know, I'm spamming it like I'm playing,
Well, that's what I do when I.
yeah,
Mashing
Mortal
the buttons
Kombat or
until
something.
works.
Yeah.
These are so fun.
Yeah, these are like
I
surprisingly
already want to
fun.
buy like all the upgrades.
That was kind of a whine right there.
Oh my god, I've never heard that noise come
Yeah.
out of him before. Oh no, he's kicking my butt.
How can you tell? Oh, I hear. Oh man.
Oh no, shield.
Oh, that's kind of fun.
That was so much fun.
So much fun.
Yeah, that was kind of fun. Doing a little battle here in the Esplanade. You win some, you lose some, I guess. They're kind of. I gotta study. Is what I need to do. 'Cause I had no idea what I was doing.
Yeah, they're a little like finicky,
Yeah.
the controls, but I mean,
Yeah. It's just
But I feel like
spamming.
little kids who are like of the video game generation, they're gonna totally get
that's
this.
true.
We got a lot of looky-loos. Like everybody was trying to check out what we're doing. Cast members, kids. They're like, "What's going on over there with the spider bot battles?"
I was saying that I don't think people are gonna buy these until they ride the ride and see that they're like part of the ride.
They are part of the ride. Yes, that's
Yeah.
like the main component of the ride, right?
But now seeing us battle and seeing people stop and being like, "Where can I buy one of those?" I'm
Yeah.
wrong. Like,
Yeah.
I like immediately, all they need to do to sell it is just have demo it.
Yeah, yeah. Well, just have a guy out there in front of the attraction, in front of web suppliers.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I already want all the upgrades, all the weapons. Gotta keep training.
I can see the video from Ordinary Adventures coming
Where we
out.
buy every
All the
single upgrade,
upgrades
yeah.
for the
It's
spider
coming,
bots.
Don't worry.
All right. Well, thanks for battling with me, guys. Hope I
Yeah,
keep
it was so
losing.
much fun. I know. I'm like, I'm here. Don't worry.
Stay tuned for more, guys.
Yeah. Thanks for having us on, David.
Yeah,
I love FreshBaked. I go to FreshBaked for all the updates, all the like peeking
Yeah.
over and seeing the progress and your speculation, which isn't always right, but sometimes it is, and sometimes it isn't.
I
and-
just like to guess.
yeah,
Yeah,
I
there
like
you go.
it. We enjoy it.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. Thank you.
Yeah.